Welcome to AutoCAD Learning. In this session, we will see how to set up the units for the drawing. For the first, just go to the top left corner where A is written, that AutoCAD icon. Click on it. You will see the list and go to Drawing Utilities. In the Drawing Utilities, you will see units. You can go to units by the command units also. Just we are clicking here at units. We can see the dialog box named drawing units, from where we can set up our units and unit methods and all for the specific drawing. So for a start, we can see that we can set up length type, length precision, angle type, angle precision, and angle fashion, in which we will take the angle clockwise or anti-clockwise, and the unit of the insertion scale which we are using. So in the length we can get a various types like architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientific inputs. So by default and in most of our drawings we used decimal inputs. So for the length we are keeping decimal inputs for the start. For precision we can get a 0, 1 decimal point, 2 decimal point, 3 decimal point, 4 decimal point, likewise. So as per our drawing or problem is been given, we can set up our precision. For the start we can giving with 2 precision points. In angle we can also get a variety like decimal degrees, degree, minute, second variation, grads, radians, and survey unit. For a start, for the basics, we can use the decimal degrees. Also for the angle we can get a variety of precision also, 1 decimal, 2 decimal, likewise. For the start we are keeping it at 1 decimal. Actually it will depend on the problem, the precision will depend on the problem given, so we can set likewise. So we are taking at 1 decimal precision, and as we know that every angle has been taken normally in anti-clockwise fashion, so we are not taking the clockwise fashion. If we take angle in the clockwise fashion, we have to click it here, so we are not clicking it here, we are not checking the box. The unit for the insertion scale, we can get a variety of scales here, starting with unit less, inches, feet, survey feet, US, miles, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, micro inches, angstrom, nanometer, micron, decimeter, likewise. We are setting it to millimeters, and in the lighting it will keep the show from which direction the light is coming. For the start we are taking it as international and just click OK. We are done with the drawing units. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.